How to install a Hydrainty Cobalt 3-stage UF filtration system.
Now drilling a through hole for the chrome faucet. I'm assembling all the parts so I can install the faucet now. Put that on. And I'm now putting the rubber gasket on the washers and the nut. Now hooking the water line up to the filter. Making sure it's going in nice and snug. And putting the clips in. We're going to repeat on the other side. I'm now installing this on the cold water line. I drilled my 1/8" pilot holes. Hung my screws. Since our sink is a little small, I'm going to have to design it to where it can be